Guys, we're so sorry we cannot end it because someone took our Shopkins.
No, they didn't take all of them, but it's just to tell you, they were bugging us. That's my dog, Hank.
I love him.
He is so adorbs.
She just balled them.
Yes.
So we're going to
But she kept coming in the video, and we had to keep redoing it. But don't worry, we can just show you all of them next time, because you basically saw all of them. So we don't really need to tell you the names.
We will next time.
Yes. Okay.
See?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our movie.
But sorry this is so short.
Oh, yeah.
We got to focus while you talk.
Well, sorry we forgot the end of the movie, but we kind of forget what we did.
Yeah. We just said she slept, she woke up, then it's end.
Yeah.
Say bye, Hank. Good boy. Look, he laid down and be like,
Thank you.
I'm taking it.
He's like, oh my gosh, I'm so famous. Like, look at that.
And you guys wondering what's wrong with his eye?
Another dog ripped it out in a fight.
So sad.
But don't worry, he's okay. That was long ago.
But he's still like
He's okay now. So bye.
Bye.